The SWQQWEI 36V 10Ah lithium battery is a versatile power source, suitable for a variety of electric motors, including those used in scooters. With a remarkable life cycle of 700 to 1,000 charges, this battery offers long-lasting performance and can power an electric bicycle for approximately 15 to 20 miles on a full charge. Safety is a top priority with the included smart protective panel that prevents overcharging, complemented by a dedicated charger for secure charging. Designed to be lightweight and portable, this battery is easy to carry indoors for charging, which helps prevent theft and prolongs its lifespan. This lithium-ion battery serves as an excellent replacement for traditional lead-acid batteries, offering a simple installation process for any electric bike with a 36-volt control system. Produced by Dongguan Zbpower Technology Co. Ltd., the battery is crafted with precision, ensuring reliability and efficiency for a wide range of applications.